big back turtle, y'all.
You are the glue. I don't lie, me, I tell you what true. Can you? It is so enjoyable.
That's all we get from the topic of downtown, y'all. So big back turtle, y'all. Let me tell you this. A lot of things they write about on the internet about how important. A lot of tell about charge excellence. You know me tell a bitch?
Hey, Stylo, we bring designer out. If a cat man, I want kinda out. Nobody is on now, we're Gucci. Stylo, all some boys in China out.
Step out with a bang again, bad again. More money to the money.
Come to Live TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the
Bless
bell.
11 greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV. Yes, when we say give thanks to life, give thanks for health and strength, give thanks for another day. Thank you for your continuous support. I don't know, your support is highly appreciated. Big up everybody on the platform, you know what I mean, who support the channel. Yes, I mean, I support the artists. Yes, man, you don't know, a greatness. Yes, if you're new to the platform, welcome, make yourself at home. Thank you again for your support. Please consider like the content, share the content, subscribe and click the bell. You see me? Yes, man. So in this episode we have Monty Killer a flying in the UK while Sexy D&nger a fly out. You see me? But in ground at Jamaica. Yes. Big up yourself, Sexy D&nger. Do it. Can you? It is so enjoyable. I love you. Comfortable. It not grumpy or miserable. We also have performance from Stamma Kid and Stylo G. We perform them song with them together. We don't have to say nothing. Pussy run. You see me? Yeah. Good luck. Big up yourself, Stamma Kid. Yeah, man, I love that. You mean Stylo G. Bring him on stage, man. Yeah, man. Some of you and subscribers, before we kick off the show, they don't know. We are forward. Swap your phone, Ruby. I wouldn't exchange every bird. Be good way. Me mean it, me not exaggerate. With the mic, I love to collaborate. Together forever, me say we not separate. Fucking it. Yes, man, that song where I play a chip in and a chip out. My song recorded 2 years ago, titled The Happiest Man. I just shot the video, you know what I mean? Big up, that's the director. Is it, just shot the video. I'm looking to release it soon. Yes, what I'm saying, and I'm over the moon. Alright, my viewers and subscribers, but we kick off the show right now with Bounty Killer Rodney Price. You see me, they're in the UK at this moment. Big up yourself, my general. Hopefully we'll link up. Banky, big up yourself, Banky Loss. Yeah, man, so watch what go on and I'm going to read the little caption about the general. I said.
England, London. One Rodney Price. Kaboom!
Yes, man, so that's Bounty Killer the general walk through the airport in the UK after I'm clear customs. Big up yourself, Banky Loss. Yes, man, so Bounty Killer caption. If it ain't rough, it ain't right for me. Firm and strong, easy comes, easily goes. If it's too easy, you don't even want it, dog. You see me? I really talk, man. Wall out, wall of faith, don't bow out. You see me? Say, N0tnice, I'll commented and say, me don't know how people bad mind. I feel happy for you, my G. One general. Yes, man, me happy. First, you made Bounty Killer free up, yes. I highlighted it. You see me? Big up yourself, the general Bounty Killer. Yes, man, one general. Me know one person when I'm happy right now, you know. Well, not even one, 2 persons. But me not call them name. You can comment in the comment section. Yes, man, so Bounty Killer is currently in the UK, not for any performance, just for promotional tour. Alongside with Baby Sham, you see me? Them just drop an EP, I think. Yeah. So big up yourself, Sham. You see my viewers and subscribers. Yeah. So hopefully we can link up with the general and I mean replenish back the link. You see it? Big up yourself, Sharon Burke. Moving on.
The happiest man in this world. I wouldn't swap your phone, Ruby. I wouldn't exchange every bird.
Sexy D&nger is currently in Jamaica for an event named Intoxicated. Yes, man, Cabana lifestyle, you know? Yes, man, so good look. I like to see that because, you know, we all a shoot long time on a try and you don't know Sexy D&nger. She work hard, she's working hard. Yes, man, one of the hardest working female entertainer artists in the UK. Is it so? Watch what I go on.
D&nger, me name a gal not act like me. Some gal a run up and down like taxi. My name never call up in a no battery, so no gal can't take me finna my you know it's the buzzing queen. Right now me I represent the top tier promotion. You don't know your girl Sexy D&nger in the building. Yeah man, Moby and I go normal tropical bliss. Hey, top tier promotion and I go with a bag of things. Then say Chronicler, Nigeria, I don't know the buzzing queen alongside some other top artists. Watch it, move out my way. Me I go there, see there, right this one. Right now me think buzzing. From London to New York, buzzing. The whole of Jamaica talks, I'm buzzing.
Yes, man, a good look, man. Big up yourself, Sexy D&nger. I wish you all the best in your endeavors and your journey. So we're gonna show you one more performance of Sexy D&nger and what she captioned.
All who want more Lady D&nger, say more Lady D&nger. Say one more. Say one more. Lady D&nger, give them one more. No, you can't just say so. One more.
Some big back turtle, y'all. Some big back turtle, y'all. Now I tell you this. A lot of things they write about on the internet about how important. Allow me to tell a back charge excellent. You know me tell a bitch? Style, but not style. Oh, you think all for your life. When you come in, no matter if you're life. Looking at your own class, you're doing polite. Lyrics to me, things so you know you turn up. But when I check them girl up, like girl up, the way we fuck them and call me the inferno.
Yes, man. So after that epic performance from Sexy D&nger, you see the confidence in the performance, you see the people are really kind of geared vibes. The selector says she bad, man. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Excellent. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So Sexy D&nger caption. Option is a motherfucker. Nah lie. Me might give you a 2 minutes of my busy schedule because you are trying hard, you know. Nah lie. You are trying everything. You determined bad. So here what? Go and hold on on this for now. No, this nah miss you, cause your fake page abundant bad. Only a smiling emoji and you know the buzzing emoji, the bees them. Yes, Sexy D&nger, you're buzzing. Your time now. Don't stop, don't look back. Keep going, keep shining, keep thriving. You know, Lionfoot wish you all the best for where I come from. So you know, we love the look of toss up and the gas up and the mix up still. Yes, man. So viewers and subscribers moving on now. Big up myself, Sexy D&nger once more. Moving on now. Stamma Kid was on stage with Stylo G, and you know, I think at the Real Navy event where D&nger was, you know, so I finally buck up on this, so I highlight it. Big up yourself, Stamma Kid, Stylo.
All of the man they want know they don't have to go into their pocket, forget a girl. Them don't have to go to the bar and buy a bottle, forget a girl. Them don't have to put on a chain like these, forget a girl. The real callistep when no one say them have charisma, must have black the callistep. Stamma Kid, roll up. Oh, yeah, man. The real callistep must have black. No one else gonna have to say nothing. Pussy run. You wanna get us to put it on? You wanna get us to put it on? Mr. B, man, can I bring it home? Me up in the eye, you see her than me. She a call me, she no bother me. Meanwhile, she a spell it out. Hey, yeah, she a get mad. What's his time? Fly, we fly them out. Shopping, Stamma, we buy them out. Can I pop when we buy them out? Water, don't fill them, buy them out. Hey, Stylo, we bring designer out. If I can't man, I want kind of out. Nobody is on now, we're Gucci. Stylo, out of boys in China out. Make money show, make money stop. Make money from weed, make money from crack. Spend money, but you have to know when to stop. When money gone, you know have to come back. Say money gone, money come back. Go to the crack, money don't stop. We have the legal money like crap. Hey, but their girlfriend over like shop. What's his style? Pussy run. You wanna get us to put it up? Let me say. You wanna get us to put it up? Be a man, get a really come. Make some nice to my brother Stamma like that.
Yes, man, that's Stylo G calling out Stamma Kid on stage, you know what I mean, to perform the song that they did together titled Put It Down. When you can go check out that video there. Nice video too. As I love the concept and the storyline. Yes, man. So with this, me like this because Stamma Kid, one of the loyalest youth there when it comes to Stylo G. Yeah, man, the friendship and the respect. Did it. Me can tell you that because over 10, 15 years ago, Stamma Kid can vouch for this too. When we play ball at South Norwood, yeah man, the man them used to say, yo, bad artist, Because them know Stamma Kid that do music too, so. When the man them a tell Stamma Kid about me and Stamma Kid I say, yeah man, no man. Stamma Kid a talk about Stylo G. Yes. When the man them a introduce me, I tell Stamma Kid, say, yo, bad artist, I tell them say me a bad artist. Stamma Kid is talking about Stylo G. I find this so. Me see say Stamma Kid have a little loyalness about him, Loyalness. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Stamma Kid. I'm love how strategy bring you out on stage. And as me say, talented artists, they are UK, them just need an opportunity. And when it comes to the warning, enough people left out of the warning crew, but Stamma Kid is still there. And that's where you see friendship and loyalness, you know what I mean? And respect. So, Stamma Kid, I wish you all the best in your endeavors. One of your music, brother. We all have a opportunity and we all have life. Once there's life, there's hope. You have to just keep doing it. As your born together say, if it's easy, we don't want it. Easily come, easily go. So, big up the artists, them where I try to pursue them career. Wall out faith. Wall out. Don't bow out. You see me? Don't sell out. Yeah, man. A lion foot, the man of peace, And remember, if you look up from a single, happiest man. Look up for the visuals, actually. Don't forget to like and share the content. Subscribe.